City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
Hey guys, I'm your homegirl Daphne Brown with Beyond the Home Realty. I'm about to head out to meet some sellers for a listing appointment, and these turned out so great that I said, you know what, I have a little bit of time. I want to hop on here and share how they turned out. So here's my seller's box. Beautiful, colorful sticker. How much is your home worth? And let's go over the contents of this box. Now, I have the contents of this box exactly how I'm going to present to the seller. So they're in order. All right. Now it starts off with 2 copies of this consumer protection notice. One I will leave with the sellers and one I will get them to sign and I will bring back with me. Then I also have 2 copies of the information about brokerage services. Again, one to leave with the sellers, one for me. And then I have examples of print marketing that I have done for previous listings. I have this card which talks about spring home selling, the curb appeal, deep cleaning, just keeping everything nice, fresh, and clean. And then this gives them the steps to take before listing the home to enhance its appeal. 10 things to do. All right, I have a business card. I have the paint colors that sell brochure. I have this brochure, which is how to increase the value of your home. I have that brochure here. This talks about a CMA, okay, and the value of that. This is a card that I have that talks about the 3-step marketing process. Here, I have a brochure which talks about prepping your home to sell, and there are 6 steps for that. I have more in here about the marketing that I do, social media. This is a card talking about showings and open houses, how I need them to have the home be set up, how clean I need to have it, and gives them some good information on that. This is the moving checklist, some client testimonials here because people want to know what others have to say about you. Here is a Sellopoly board that talks about the paperwork from start to finish. And here is the selling process from determining the value, finding an agent, all the way to closing. This entire booklet is talking about home repairs to boost your sales price. Now, this talks about the interior of the home, the exterior of the home. It goes room by room with the repairs. And then here's another booklet, which is a seller's guide to solds. And in this book, it talks about appraisals. It talks about a buyer's inspections, how to make your home show ready, how to make your home ready for the photos and videos that we're going to take. So it's a really good book. And then here we have the seller's disclosure notice. Now, what I do not have in here is the listing agreement because I like to go over that on my tablet. And then before I leave, I will send that and get it signed. So here is what I have in the seller's box. And then here, I just made this really cute bag. You know, Amanda, which is kind of the marketing person that I've been following, and she has gotten me together and got me to up my game. So I have, because we're almost close to Easter, I have a cute little bunny and in this bag. And in the bunny, we have some grass, we have candy, we have some plastic eggs that have more candy in it. We have some bubbles for the kiddos. And I think we have some of that slimy stuff. Here we have a duster for the ceiling fans, and it just kind of goes. I thought this was really cute. It has a hole that goes over the blades of the fan and allows you to clean the ceiling fan blades. Okay, I'll do that in a minute. And then here we have some packing tape because they're going to need that. These are the labels for each room in the home, and it goes by living room, kitchen, dining room, office, heavy, fragile, bedroom 1, 2, 3, 4, bathroom 1, 2, 3, primary bath. Just a lot of good labels that they can label their boxes. We have some popcorn and a popcorn box. so they can pop popcorn while they are packing, as well as some cookie dough. We have a notebook here where they can take notes in while we are there at the home, going over so much information. And then we have a keychain, and the keychain is really cute. This particular one says, "Our sweet house, new beginnings, new memories, new home," because they are selling this home with me, and we're going to help them buy another one. So yeah, those came out so cute. I wanted to, again, share. When you got something good, you got to share it, right? You got to let the people know. So I will come back and let you know how everything goes. But yeah, your girl is about to be out and headed to the appointment. I want to make sure I put this in here right. Okay. And again, I will let you guys know how everything turns out. But you should be seeing a new listing pop up soon. And if you know of anyone that is looking to move, I will post it here. All right, guys. Talk to you later.
A few moments later.
Look at God, we secured the listing. Yay! So now we are busy planning for the listing rollout. So make sure you keep it locked here so that I can bring this beautiful home to you. I'll be making a video and posting it here on this channel. But until then, make sure that you always remember that your homegirl is always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Bye-bye.